They say that the rice company in Anambra, the Seaman company, is finally open. No be small thing o. Our people go enjoy rice so for inside that place as we dey talk right now. As this one dey happen, they say that the Nigeria youth don say if they see neck chairman, they go comot one of im teeth o. Now I say this one don red. As we dey talk right now, the hunger in the land don make everybody dey para o. If you see wetin this guy talk for this video, say if you see neck chairman, im teeth go comot o. If im teeth no comot, wallahi e no go rest. Now I come say this one e go red o. So for those of una wey no know, say we get two rice company now in Igbo land, and wetin we wan beg them na this: make dem make sure say our people fit buy this rice and enjoy. Congratulations to Anambra. However, let's jump into this scene and know how wetin dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If this is not the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, welcome, and please share this video for more updates as e dey hot. We still dey here, they bring you update back to back. My people, let's quickly jump inside this matter and know wetin dey shele for inside the matter. As we dey talk right now, they say that Anambra now own two companies that manufactured rice. That is, this company, the rice you buy in bag is what they are manufacturing in Anambra. So I'm going to play you the video of this company, and you see how the rice is being packaging. So, and the owner of this company have promised to make sure that this rice is affordable and is very cheap to buy. I'm going to play the video for you to watch, and before I come back and continue. Okay, my people, that na the company now I will just show you right now. May you see say wetin dey talk na so e dey be o. The E's are waking up. So If you are still yet to bring your company back home, I don't know what you are waiting for. Build your company in your village. Build them in your village. Yes. So that when the government or anybody want to intimidate you, your people will come outside and tell them that this is our land. It can happen. But you see that way you put aside, you go red though. My people, na so we see am. Let's jump into the street though. We know wetin dey shele for that area. They say that one guy don say as e be like this now, he no get problem with Tinubu. He say na INEC chairman he get problem with. Say anywhere wey he see am, he go comot one of him teeth. Watch this video before I come back and continue.
If you meet INEC chairman and say you catch am for one lungo, wetin you go do?
No, if I catch that man, I go squander the man. No. I go scrub him. Yes, I
go scrub him.
I go scrub the man. I go even the man self. I not be only scrub himself. I go drill him. I go drill him.
What do you say you go do INEC chairman if you catch him for street?
I go bust bottle, stab her for neck, stab her for neck, stab her for back, all over the body so that he no go feel sleep well. Because he not carry our country, go inside where go keep him. How old man, where my papa they young pass, they come they rule us. What do they have to teach us?
So you are saying that you are not happy with the result of the presidential election?
I'm not happy, sir.
Did you vote?
Yes, I vote.
Who did you vote for? Who, sir?
I vote for OP, young man that can deliver us for the bondage because the youth don't suffer it well. And even the former president Obasanjo noticed that the youth has suffered enough. So he come to say let justice to be.
You must not catch INEC chairman for street.
Hey, I must because one very good day I feel they go jam him. If I don't get opportunity to reach him, I go bust bottle stone him.
Thank you. If you meet that INEC chairman Yakubu for one corner now, what do you go do?
About me, if I see I seen the passport, me I put up for him body as well.
What do you go put for?
I tell my men, they make more stamp, or let them put up for him body once.
Put up for your body.
As well. Yeah, the vessel. I think people don't with me at the craze.
But you don't say they don't go court now. Say you don't win.
No, if you don't give a bit of be we just calm down. He never talk. If you talk, them or by fire don't catch.
Fire don't catch.
I swear.
Thank you so much, sir.
God bless.
But he disgraced himself because was the level supposed to at least avoid some certain embarrassment. Embarrassed himself by conducting this kind of election. All eyes on him. People are expecting to do well, nice and conduct the election very well. But he go there and they collect.
Now, if you catch him, you see a neck chairman for street like this. Only you see him. What you go do?
No, if I catch the man, first of all, I will slap him. I give him that slap, heavy one. I will let it that I train with him by taxi in America. I will blow him well. Then, first of all, before I will start asking him why he behave like that. That the eyes will close. I will blow his eyes well. But he just get lost. I don't see him. But I will later see him.
So for governorship election, with
Yes.
So as it be now, if you catch INEC chairman for one corner, you meet him for street, what you go do?
I will buy that for better.
You go buy him for
Better. Don't try.
We must make sure that we punish.
just catch him for one corner.
In short, the INEC will not exist again.
INEC will not exist again.
You will
You
not.
catch him for one corner.
Yes.
Nigeria. I know say you are not happy with INEC chairman.
Yes, Mombudu, yeah. We don't.
Catch him. You are now meet him one-on-one on street. What you go do?
Well, I will call him one-on-one. I think that he's an evil man because he put life of the people in danger. Because not be only him, but he do it for selfish interest. For the money they gave him on another thing agreement they have did in part. But particularly in the city of Nigeria, nobody is happy with him. Because he has betrayed the trust that people have on him.
So let me ask you now, if you jam INEC chairman for street now, what you go do?
I can't do anything to him because he has done so much things that set us back. A very setback. Gave us a setback. Wicked one. We are not happy with him.
Thank you, sir.
Be like that.
So now, if you catch INEC chairman, you and meet one-on-one for street where nobody did there, what you go do?
Me that dig a heart.
You go dig a heart.
Yes, because
go
they
fight
said, of course, they said I have free and fair election. Why they call it become what can they do on that thing? You don't want to come out
for Obi. After everything, they got to give us an appetite.
So if you meet and you and the chairman meet for one corner now for street, what you go do?
If the neck, what I go do? I'm not expect him. I will finish him up. I will never expect.
You go fight her.
I will do him many things. I would not take it easy from that man. Okay.
So the presidential election.
Allah ya the verse.
Why the
Why you no go verse for election where they rig like this? You vote, not wait till you.
Why you are the polling unit?
I was there. We counted the numbers. It was 300 and something. APC was 3. Labour Party was 309. Why not? PDP carry 5. Then get 5 that day.
You even know the number of fans.
I no go know now when I did here.
Okay, for this governorship election where they come now, you know who come out?
Why no go come out? I go vote for SIM now. There's a move vote for SIM. No SIM, no network. So I did here confirm.
You are voting PDP this time around for your.
Confirm. What thing I go do now?
Thank you, God. You are not happy with the results.
I'm not happy with the result.
Did you vote?
I vote for Obi. Obi.
What's going to happen?
After everything, they went and gave it to Tinubu.
They give it to Abi Tinubu winner.
They declare Tinubu winner. So we are not happy.
So you believe that the election was rigged?
Yes, I believed it was really obvious. Yes.
For your polling unit, who won?
It was Obi now. Yes.
So now, as matter be now, if you catch INEC chairman for streets, what you go do?
Honestly, I will get him arrested.
You get him arrested? Just arrested?
I will get him arrested. And he must be penalized. We must make sure that we punish.
Just catch him for one corner.
In short, the INEC will not exist again.
INEC will not exist again.
You will not
you catch him for one corner.
Yes.
All right, all right, thank you. Are you happy with the outcome?
I am not happy with it.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, shebi you don't hear them with your 2 ears. I no be saying that we talk am o. You don't hear as they take talk am, they go take do am. You know this country don't red, but don't worry. The one day people must wake up o. That thing where they recover, you go open. They say if bro open for Onya, she go open o. Now so it be for this country now. Everybody they open eyes, hunger everywhere. My people, I beg share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. I see the hot. We'll quickly see you for the next update.